This summer, my husband finally finished the pergola that he started a few months back. He built the frame using a Pergola brackets 4x4 Woodworks outdoor pergola hardware kit, and it is beautiful. Here's the saw he used. It's a Metabo HPT sliding compound miter saw with a 12-inch blade. Instead of using 4x4 posts to go into the brackets, he ended up using 2x4s, screwed them together, and fitting them in there. There's a little space there left, so he added a little piece of wood to make up for the difference there. Here he's using 2 7/8 inch black structural wood screws. Our deck, which he also made, is 18 by 28 feet. And so the posts are 11 feet apart and 7 feet apart. Here he's using 4.5 inch structural wood deck screws to go into the joist. Because the hot tub is on the ground, he used a concrete post holder and screwed the brackets into that. Right here is the 4-part bracket that connects the 2 parts together and supports it in the middle. And this bracket covers the corners. It's definitely a 2-man job and a 2-ladder job. Caleb here also helped Sean to build the deck and now is helping him to frame up the pergola. Our inspector is patiently waiting to do his part. Most jobs don't get done without a few missteps, and here Caleb is noticing that perhaps the brackets are not in quite the right way because the hole is supposed to be in the middle of it so it can support the canvases. Those missteps got corrected, and then the canvases went up in a few days after that. And we got those off of Amazon, and I'll make sure that all these things are linked into the description below. I cannot tell you how happy I was to see it all completed and how cool it felt under there out of the hot, blazing Oklahoma sun. Look at that. So happy. Oh, he also got the lights up there too. They are LED lights that he can control with an app on his phone, and they come in multiple colors. My husband came in a little bit later when it was all put up, and he went ahead and finished some of the parts that were not painted in the stain, and I think it looks so good. He ordered the sails from Shademark. They are gray sails, 11 by 11 and 11 by 7. So now, with a little bit of straightening up, we will be ready to invite our family over and have a good time. And we'll be having that good time out of the Oklahoma blazing sun. Sean's a pretty good cook on the smoker. Well, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time. Bye.